So Spinjam at Alton Towers Resort officially opened last week as part of the Retro Squad rides at the park. Just a few days ago, Alton Towers released the official promo video for this particular ride, and the animation is honestly amazing. So with all that said, let's get straight into the video and take a look at this promo video and how Spinjam looks at the Alton Towers Resort. So here is the official promotion video that Alton Towers released for Spinjam. I mean, wow, that promo video was amazing, and hats off to the animators whoever created this amazing video. Now basically, if you don't know, last season Mixtape was in place of where Spinjam is now, and in the Retro Squad theme, Mixtape got taken away and was essentially replaced by Spinjam. Spinjam is said to be the most intense Retro Squad ride, with the height requirements being 1.4 meters. Taking a look at the actual ride itself, it actually goes with the X-Sector area quite well, and in the future I'll definitely be up for Alton Towers getting a similar style ride that is permanent and themed to Oblivion, or even potentially the Marmalizer on Smiler. Obviously, before coming to the Alton Towers Resort, Spinjam was a travelling ride that travelled all over the UK under the name of Air Raid before landing in Alton Towers. The middle section of the ride, covering the pneumatics and motors, is a themed cube which previously had vinyls on of various different Marvel characters. Obviously this has been covered up with the Alton Towers own vinyl of the Retro Squad and the Spinjam branding. Unlike the other Retro Squad rides in the park, this one actually plays funfair jingles. For example, or
put your hands in the air if you want to go faster,
or even it's number one. I think you get the idea. I found this quite fascinating, as I didn't think Alton Towers would allow this, but I guess they have. The lighting package on Spinjam is amazing. Unfortunately, no fire effects as seen on the ride when it travels around to different funfairs, however it still looks like an overall brilliant ride. So what is the future of the Retro Squad? Well, we don't really know fully. When the robot on the promo video is selecting Spinjam to be sent to Alton Towers, we can still see that there are loads of different rides to pick from. So if Alton Towers did bring back the Retro Squad, there are loads of different names the park can pick from. Personally, when Alton Towers announced the Retro Squad last year, I wasn't fully with the idea of putting funfair rides into great themed areas of Alton Towers. However, when I visited the park on opening day, they actually didn't look too bad, and this season I've actually been looking forward to riding Spinjam. I personally think 3 years is the complete maximum that Alton Towers can keep bringing in these fair rides, but up until then they're really good additions to the resort. Hopefully in the next few years we see some permanent flat rides at the park. I'll be visiting the park this week to see how it rides and the overall experience, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss that vlog when it comes out in the next few days. How do you feel about Spinjam and the Retro Squad in general at Alton Towers? Let me know in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear all of your thoughts. With all that said and done, thank you for watching Theme Park Enthusiast, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.